How to fix Snapchat device ban. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will be showing you how you can fix if your device is banned from Snapchat. So let's get into it. Sometimes if you create an account and if there was any problem, Snapchat actually bans your device. So how to use Snapchat? There's going to be a very easy solution for this. First, what you need to do is you're gonna actually go to your web browser. Now you can do this on your Android or iOS. So once you get to your web browser, what you're gonna do is you're gonna search for appbuild.vip. So this one right here. And here we can actually find the tweaked apps, and this is a tweaked app store. You're gonna search for Snapchat plus plus. There it is. You can see we have Snapchat plus plus. So you need to actually install this application. This is going to be Snapchat, but this is going to be completely new without any history. And what you will do is you will create an account on Snapchat plus plus, and you will be able to use your favorite app, Snapchat. You'll be able to take pictures, share snaps, and more. So this is the way you can fix your Snapchat ban. I hope it works for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.